So I'm not sure if you could see behind me, the excavator, how filthy it is. This irks Gary like no tomorrow. He is, when you call a neat freak and perfectionist with his machines, that is Gary. Fortunately, we're running out of time, so he cannot do a cleaning like he would like to. But he's at least going to power wash it and do a quick clean of it so it's not as filthy as it is. So like I said, Gary's power washing right now the excavator. As long as the rain holds up, the tractor will be next. And like we said in another video, the 275 gallon tank is what we use for power washing, and it's simple. All we did was hook the garden hose up to it. Hook it right up to power washer, and he's able to power wash. The only downside is because we have to keep the dogs in the camper, so we have to have the generator on to keep the air conditioning, to keep the dogs cool, because our dogs love playing with the hose with water. And because as you see, we don't really have grass. We don't really feel like having them get all muddy. We need to run both of our generators because trying to run it off of one, it was tripping. So we have it running, both generators running. So don't mind the noise, it's really loud. It is looking cleaner. And we have a clay soil, which is a pain. We have to look and try to find some sort of sap removal because the sap is just not coming off.
Might need you to power wash me after I get done.
What? I couldn't hear you.
I might need you to power wash me after I get done.
Well, the excavator's all put away. So now Gary is working on cleaning the side by side because it's filthy, and he's just a anal man, to put it nicely. So you love Dozer?
Not when I gotta do this.
I'm stalking you.
This is after power washing it. Just because Dozy thinks this shit is his.
Open it, hold it all the way. You can't even tell it's dirty. Now you can tell. Matches Gary's shorts.
Okay.
You may want to put it away before Dozy thinks he can go in it again. All of Gary's babies are put to bed now.
That's never a good time when I gotta put everything away. So that means I'm going back.
So the water level is down to here. This was full on our 250 or 275 gallon tank. That's all Gary used to power washing the 3 machines. So all in all, that was actually pretty good.